Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix mobile data not working problem in Xiaomi Redmi 14R. Before starting this video, please subscribe for more videos and watch complete video.